In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to watch live matches on your 1xBet account. Before we proceed, I would advise you create a professional 1xBet account, and to do that, you click on register. Then you click on full. On this next section, you input all your details correctly, and then on the promo code section, you input the promo code Chelsea TV. After inputting the promo code Chelsea TV, 1xBet is going to give you 300% bonus on your first deposit, which is when you deposit $10,000, you get $40,000. Then you go ahead and click on these three boxes, and then you register. Okay guys, so back to our video. To watch live matches on your 1xBet account, you click on, okay, as you can see, we're already on our logged in account, and you click on top live. You can see we have live and pre-matches, so you can decide to watch any match here of your choice. You scroll down and search for the match you want to watch, but I will just tap on the first one. Then you can see information, broadcast, or based on your country you might see stream or live. You click on it, and then you'll be able to watch any match live on your 1xBet account. It's very